Today I'm taking a look at the OEXLUFORD 80x100 Monocular. So we do have a cell phone mount. It is a spring-loaded mount. So we'll be able to attach that so that we can attach our phone so we can record what we're going to be seeing through the monocular. So very nice that they included this. We've got a little tripod stand and that has a ball head on the top. So we can loosen that up and then we can spin that around to whatever direction that we want. It does come with a bag, which is nice. Got a cleaning cloth and a tether. And here is the monocular. So we got our focus knob. And it does come with nice rubber caps. So this one's actually fully tethered. This one does have a spot where we can tether that if we want to. Got a 1/4-20 mount on the bottom, and it does have a fairly hard rubber shell all the way around it, which is nice. So the idea is we're going to take our phone mount. We're just going to press that on. Then we can clip on our phone, and we just need to line up that lens. Then we're going to need to point this at something that is further away than something that's right in front of us, because we're not going to be able to focus on anything that's this close. And then we can focus that in. Pretty cool. And just to put in perspective, that is what we were looking at without the monocular. So yeah, that is a very cool monocular.